But I got such a shock when I came in this morning. I can't believe that it's so small to hold 4 people. Well, it was enormous to me. I walked in the door. We had a kitchen table here and 2 chairs, maybe 4. In that corner, what was in that corner? There was a little cupboard. The fire is as it is. Then here in behind the door was my mother's double bed, just to here. I believe she had a little table here. And then in this corner, it was railed with a curtain. And we had the cooker. No, the cooker wasn't there. We had a washstand with a basin and a bowl, and a bucket for you know what. And we had a dresser here, just here. The cooker was in that corner. That's where the cooker was. My bed, my single bed, it was an iron bed, and it was a real iron bed in those days. It was just here.